pleasant day. Our group Team 1 will discuss the brand positioning of De La Salle University das Marinas, or DLSUD. The two main objectives of our presentation: first is to identify and establish DLSUD brand position statement. Secondly, to present the position of parity and point of difference for De La Salle University das Marinas. Let's first learn the brief history of the formation of the De La Salle University das Marinas brand name. The university was established on July 18, 1977 as a private non-sectarian tertiary school named General Emilio Aguinaldo College, Cavite, and managed by the Yaman Lahi Foundation. In 1992, the name DLSU AYAC was changed to De La Salle University Aguinaldo. In 1997, the institution's name was changed again. It is now called De La Salle University das Marinas to avoid confusion with the Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite campus. For the meaning of points of parity, there are elements that a brand must have to be considered by consumers. This is where a brand's similarities to others lead consumers to believe that brand is good enough. Leading universities must have the following features and programs. Programs to offer in junior high school, senior high school, colleges, and graduate studies. Services to provide: online services, international linkages and partners, research, scholarship, and continuing education. The La Salle University das Marinas is declared Cavite's premier university. Because of this, we took the top 5 universities here in Cavite to compare its similarities and differences with each other. There are over 60 different board exams conducted by the PRC, rank each school in each board exam, to come up with a weighted board exams ranking for each school. Ranking displayed here contains schools that were ranked in at least 7 board exams. The top universities are De La Salle University in Das Marinas, Cavite State University in Indang, Lyceum of the Philippines University in General Trias, Adventist University of the Philippines in Silang, and Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite campus in Das Marinas.
Points of difference. College embraces exceptional education and holistic training, and at the same time savor an ambience of fresh and green environments that even spurs learning and makes it even more fun and relaxing. Best venue for professional preparation, offers an unconventional take on education and allows students to learn in an environment surrounded by nature and inculcates in them not only the Lasallian values of faith, zeal, and service, but also allows them to experience and participate in socially responsible projects throughout their stay in the university.
For the Lasallian brand of education in the Philippines, the La Salle University has earned the recognition of being a leader in higher education. Following the faith and charism of St. John Baptist de La Salle, the founder of Brothers of the Christian Schools and patron saint of teachers, the La Salle Universities pursue the development of knowledge by providing an empowering and transformative education. The university is acknowledged for its excellence and service, replete with a deep sense of history and Christian traditions, and at the same time, attuned to the emerging culture brought about the technology advancements. The growing network of La Salle alumni, leaders, and achievers, not only in the country but also in the international scene, defines best the quality of La Salle education.
DLSUD brand positioning for learners who are on the lookout for premium education. De La Salle University das Marinas is a college that has the perfect blend of quality traditional and online education with a conducive environment-friendly campus wherein students would not just learn lessons but also be equipped with the tools needed for their future careers. Unlike other schools in Cavite, The LSUD champions the animal spirit of fighting and never giving up. This empowers students in keeping the excellence within learners. The group comes up with this De La Salle University positioning statement because it has a high outstanding satisfactory performance in terms of their quality education, professors' unique approach of teaching, clean and well-maintained facilities, effective safety measures, excellent service, and its core values. Given that the university provides a high-class education and the courses offered are worth the price to pay for, the LSUD would leave a prestige and reputable image as part of their self-identity. This would really help with the career of the students as it will build a strong foundation and employability credentials after graduation. This is also the reason why the students show great appreciation to this university, which for them is something to be proud of. It is really important to have brand positioning as it leaves a long-lasting impression on your customers. The more they associate positivity with your brand, the more likely they are to purchase from you rather than your competitors.
As we, Team 1, come up with the idea of brand position statement for De La Salle University Dasmariñas, we believe that it is exactly and shows what De La Salle University Dasmariñas builds for. Thank you.